Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I use the convenience store method through Family Mart in sending my Mercari package. Actually, the convenience store method is another method that you can use in sending your Mercari package. So I made a separate video for another method which you can use also in sending your Mercari package, and that is using the Pudo locker station, which I find it more convenient to use, guys. So if you want to know more about it, I'll just put the link below inside the description box, so just click that link and watch that video. And now I'm gonna show you how I send my Mercari package through the convenience store method. So stay tuned and watch my video. So I hope you learned something from this video. So if you have any questions about Mercari, you can comment below and I'll try to answer that as much as I can. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.